Hello and welcome to another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. So we are at the Broadmoor Hotel, the famous and historical hotel in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And we just got upgraded and moved to this room. Our video of our other room, which was 2056, is on our channel. We are now in 2404. We are in the South Lake building, and this room is incredible, but just know there's 3 rooms in this building that are not accessible by a elevator, so you have to come up these steep stairs with your luggage. Of course, they have amazing service here and great bellmen to help you. And this is our little section here, just this little hallway, and this staircase leads to our 3 rooms. So just know, like, if you have any mobility issues at all, you need to let them know if you book this room type so that they put you on the ground floor or a room that is accessible by an elevator. So you walk in our door and this is our new favorite room. This is the 3rd room type we've stayed in here at the Broadmoor on different occasions, and this is by far our most favorite room, although there isn't a bad room here. Even their smallest, least expensive room is still gorgeous. And in our last video of our junior suite room 1256, I believe, I did forget to mention that all the rooms have this. They have a little tiny mini bar here where it's you get all kinds of cups and mugs and a Keurig, and down here is a refrigerator with complimentary water and a little freezer section and some storage. And so there you go. And then you also get all kinds of coffees and teas and hot cocos and stuff. And then upon arrival, they gifted us these 2 little gourmet food boxes because we're here on we're repeat customers and we're here celebrating a special occasion. So that was super sweet. So anyway, we are in a 1-bedroom lakeside suite, and this particular one has 2 balconies. So anyway, you have this whole living room section with a TV, and I'll just kind of give you a walk around here. So here is a beautiful fireplace. It is a gas fireplace, and you have the little controls here. Just even over the fireplace is so beautiful with the sconces and the mirror. And then kind of going around the room now with my back to the fireplace, TV, VCR, and I'm sorry, not VCR, a DVD player, of course. And then this room comfortably seats 6 people. This is a pull-out couch, so you can sleep 4 in this room, but you would still have to share 1 bathroom. And then the workspace is right here behind the couch. Another little chair here. Here you have a desk and chair and lamp, phone. You have a port for charging different things. So that's kind of nice because you can see the whole room from here and watch TV from here. And then we'll take you to a tour in the bathroom and bedroom in a second, which is through this door. But at the moment, we're going to take you out the front balcony. So this is the balcony that you can get to by the living room. And it has 2 chairs and an ottoman and a little table. You share it with the people next door, but they have a little privacy wall here. And then that is your view. So right past this green and white striped awning is the hotel bar and the main lobby. So you're really close to like their shops and restaurants, bar, lobby, and then you get this view of the Pikes Peak area off in the distance here. And then the west side across the lake. It's incredible. So, turning back around, we'll walk back through this lovely living room here and take you into the bedroom, which also has 2 chairs, a king-size bed, another phone, and clock radio with charging ports and storage in the nightstands. Okay, so with my back to the nightstand, here is kind of a 360 of the room. You have another TV in here, lots of like dresser storage, valet. They have a shoehorn and a lint brush in every room. If it's not on a valet, it's in the closet. And then a little extra side table and mirror here. That is the closet, which has the safe and extra linens, bed linens. Lots of storage for, we'll take a little detour to the closet here. Hanging items, a shoe shelf. It has extra luggage racks, and then it also has iron and ironing board. So that is a nice big walk-in closet with the safe and everything. Okay, coming back around. The other side of the bedroom here with my back to the TV. Nice little, very comfortable reading corner, or just chill out, watch some TV. We love this room because if one person wants to stay up late and watch TV or get up early and have some breakfast, you can leave the person in the privacy of the other person in the privacy of the bedroom. So anyway, here you go. And then the bedroom also has its own balcony with 2 chairs and a little table that overlooks the front of the hotel. So this is a view east. Now this is southeast here. And then that building right there, now we're looking northeast, is like the main original building with all of the restaurants and shops and the Jules Parisian Cafe and the beautiful outdoor seating that overlooks the lake. So we're gonna go back around and show you the bathroom, which is to die for. It is amazing. So all the bathrooms are this nice, but they have different configurations. So even the least expensive room, their most basic rooms still have bathrooms this nice. They might not be configured the same way, but they're as luxurious and as well appointed. So, and they all have the 2 sinks with the storage, hair dryer, their own signature toiletries. The lotion smells especially nice. They give you some hand sanitizer, mouthwash, and all the kind of stuff. So if you forgot anything, you'll be okay for a day. This one has this beautiful clawfoot standalone tub. And then even that has like bath salts and soaps and that kind of thing. And then more towels, tissue, hair dryer. This has the beautiful glass shower. Here's the little toilet room. Even that has kind of a nice view. I believe there's phones in all the toilet rooms as well. Yes. So in every room, no matter what room category it is, that have the telephones in the toilet rooms as well. So turning back around, here is this wonderful tub. I mean, if you weren't in Colorado Springs, where you want to spend most of your time outside, you'd probably want to spend most of your time there. So anyway, lots of wonderful plush towels, and there you go. So this is the tour of the 1-bedroom lakeside suite at the Broadmoor Hotel in the South Lake building. And 2 things. Don't forget that some of the rooms in this building are not accessible by an elevator, so if you're going to be on the second floor, or if you have any mobility issues, definitely check for room placement and request that ahead of time by calling the hotel directly, so that you aren't surprised by something that will, cause difficulties. And then also don't forget to tip your housekeeping, especially now when they're doing extra hard work to sanitize everything. This hotel is doing an amazing job of that. They wrap everything, like they they sanitize like the doorknobs, and they just kind of giving you another little once around while I finish what I'm saying here. But it's the TV remotes, they sanitize those, the phones, the hairdryer, everything. And so tip them daily, because you do get different housekeepers each day. A lot of people say they tip at the end of their stay, but then you might not ever have a chance to tip the people who have been helping you out during your stay. So anyway, thank you so much for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. And we'll leave you with a beautiful view of the lake. Feel free to comment or leave questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe.